Hi everyone, this is Rahat from ShopiDevs. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will explain what is Shopify and how does it works. If you are planning to start your e-commerce store, then this video will be very helpful for you. When it comes to create an online store or e-commerce store, you need a platform, and Shopify will give you that. So let's see what is Shopify. Shopify is a subscription-based software that allows anyone to create e-commerce stores and sell their products. This amazing platform is used to create more than a million of world's most successful brands. Let me show you a demo Shopify store so you can understand what kind of e-commerce store you can build using Shopify. This is a well-designed and fully functioning e-commerce store. You can create this kind of amazing e-commerce store using Shopify with less effort and less time. Remember, Shopify is the platform that allows you to create e-commerce store, sell your products, market your brands, and run your online and offline business in one place. Let's see how Shopify works. First, you have to create a Shopify account, and for that, you have to click on Start Free Trial. Here you have to put email address, a password, and your store name, and then click on Create Your Store. You will be able to use 14-day free trial of Shopify. And within this time, you can create, you can design your store, you can add products to your store, and many more. But you cannot launch your store unless you are subscribed to a Shopify plan. So let's see the plans. Click on the pricing. These are the plans available on Shopify. If you have a new business, you can go for basic Shopify, which starts from 29 USD per month. If your business is growing, you can check Shopify plan, which is 79 USD per month. If your business needs more facilities, then you can go for advanced Shopify plan, which is only 299 USD per month. You may also choose Shopify Plus or Shopify Lite plan if you want. So these are the Shopify plans, and you can choose any of them to start using Shopify. Alright, this all for today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, keep watching our videos to learn more about Shopify.